Right now we're going to talk about the email autoresponder, and I use GetResponse. There's a couple others out there that you can use like Drip, ConvertKit, Aweber, but GetResponse is the simplest one to get into. It is also one of the cheapest ones, and you need a software like this. So if you go into the pricing right here, you can see I think it's $15 per month. You get a list size of 1,000 people. You can also rack this up. I have the 50,000 right now, paying $250 per month because my list is growing like crazy. But this software just pays for itself. It's the best tool. And if you have a YouTube channel and you're not growing your email list, you're basically leaving tons of money on the table. It's like burning a stack of cash on your table. So you have to get this. Now I'm going to log in. And right now you can see everything. You can see contacts, email marketing, automation, landing pages, and I only use these two, a little bit of automation, but having these crazy weird funnels is not something I do, but I want to show you how you can do this as well. So once you log in, you have to go to your contacts. You have to create a new list. We're just gonna call it something. And before you use this list in any of your opt-in pages, you have to click the subscription, and then you have to tick off the extra confirmations double opt-in. We do not want them to double opt-in. That basically means when they give us their email, they have to go to their email and then click I confirm that I signed in to the list of NDFL, and we don't want that. And if you're using this is basically going to cut off 1/3 of your email opt-ins. So they're not on your list. Because we want to get their email, we want them to be our list, and then we want to send them emails and build that relationship with our list. So let's go back here. We can go to email marketing, and here you have a few different ways that you can go about it. You can write a newsletter, which is just an email that goes out to your email list. And then you can write autoresponders, which are automatically sent out to your email list. And if we go into here, this is just a tiny promotion that I did for my friend. But I want to show you how you can structure this. So every single day you can send a new email, and I want you to understand that sending one email a day is the way to go. You can even go further with sending 2 emails a day, 3 emails a day. I even know some of the experts are sending 5 emails every single day, because you got to realize that there's so much noise. Marketing has become I want to shout, I want to scream, and I want to get as much attention as possible, because back in the day you can send an email a month and people like, oh, this email is awesome. You can send 1 email per week and people were like, yeah, that's so cool, you're giving a ton of value. But now that it's in the modern age, and Facebook, Twitter, they have so many distractions in their life, and if you really want to give them value, you have to be pushing emails every single day that gives them value, that tells stories, that sells the product. Because if you're not, they're gonna forget you. They're gonna forget who you are. They're gonna forget that you exist, and you got to keep up those emails. So when they see your email, they actually know who you are. So keep that relationship going. Keep giving them value, story emails, content emails, and swipes. And you can have this going as long as you want. Now what I do is that in every single email I send them to a page where they can see my review of the product. You should do this as well. But I want to get more into writing everyday emails, using the swipes, the stories, the content. So how you want to structure your email sequences is really easy. So you find an affiliate product, you make 7 emails or 7 days that are just around that affiliate product. After 7 days, you're going to go into the next affiliate product, and then you're going to sell that. Because usually people need to see a product between 5 and 10 times before they're able to, okay, might be very good. And in every single video, we're like adding on, oh, this product is so good, and this is a reason that this product is so good, and this is a reason that this product is so good, and this is a reason that this product is so good. So we're always like stacking on top, and we want 7 days. In launch sequences, I do 5 days, but 7 days is the best if you want an evergreen or an autoresponder that you don't have to touch. So you can have 7 emails right here that tells them about this affiliate product, and then you can have 7 more emails about a different affiliate offer, and then 7 more emails about a different affiliate offer, but splice it up. And here I have a few different lists, right? So you could make 7 emails right here and then start over right here and then create 7 other emails. But I create 7 emails and then I make a new list, and then I create 7 emails right there, and then I create a new list. And the way that we mix these together is with automation. And I have this right here, moving people. Whenever I send the last email in this sequence, I've moved them to a different list. And when they reach the last email in this, I send them to a new list. And when they're done with the last email in this list, I'm going to send them to another one. But right now I'm creating this course, so I'm going to promote that a lot heavier. And really, you might be surprised that I only have 2 or 3 lists, 3 affiliate programs that I'm promoting. And that is the thing, when you do YouTube and you get a ton of traffic, you can make a ton of money with having just a few affiliate programs, because traffic is one of the things that people struggle a lot with getting. But we're not struggling with that. We get a ton of traffic from YouTube, and we can afford to just have a few promotions and make a ton of money off of that. Now I'm going to add to my autoresponder an infinity pool of affiliate offers, content emails, swipes, strategies, to have emails going every single day for like a year, because basically they're on my list. If they want to get off my list, it's just to unsubscribe. There's gonna be an unsubscribe button. So if they want to unsubscribe, they can do that. But I'm going to continue sending emails, building that relationship for years and years and years. So that's what you do. You create 7 emails. Here we have 10 because I send a few more on the last days. Then we have 7 emails right here. I think we have 5 emails on the ClickFunnels auto webinar. And then we have 7 more, 7 more, 7 more, 7 more. And you go through that way. So every single week, they will get a new affiliate offer going on forever, building that relationship, getting them to know, like, and trust you, and also selling story emails, content emails, and swipes. That is what it's going to consist of, so we can make money until they leave our list. And also, if you're in a niche where there's just 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 great affiliate offers, and you cannot make 7 new emails or 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, there's nothing wrong with sending 30 days of an affiliate product, because in every email they're going to be more convinced to buy that product if you send good emails. In every email, you're going to convince them a little bit more to sign up to that product with your stories. Oh, this solved my problems. This has solved my problems. So email autoresponders, you shouldn't be afraid of sending emails to your list, because they want to get emails from you, especially when you build that relationship. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.